Security. When your dog just like stares at you for like 20 minutes and just like burns a hole in the back of your head, and you're just like, what do you want? What do you want? You wanna go lay down? You wanna go lay down over there? No? You wanna go outside? No? You wanna go lay down over here? No? How about over there? You wanna go over there? You wanna go lay down in the bedroom? No? What you want? You want a treat. Gentle. Be gentle. Mr. Pistachio. Mr. Pistachio. Gentle. Oh my goodness! Is that the most gentles of gentle? You gentle. You gentle. You gentle. Really? Oh, I haven't put the treats away. It's not officially all done. Alright, all done. No more. All done. No more. Go lay down. Go lay down. Poopy-doo. What you do? You wanna go outside? You just wanna go outside so you can come back inside and get a cookie. Poopy-doo. What you do? What you do? Who says? You say? I don't say. I don't think so. I don't. I don't say. They're gone.